Welcome everyone, Daniela here, and I'll be working with the February main kit today. I also want to use the embellishment kit, the cardstock kit, which you can see here. Then I used some bits and pieces from the Pocket Life kit, and then the color kit, of course, because I want to show you how to create a quick and easy mixed media background. Well, the center of my layout is going to be this cut file piece, which I cut from a white cardstock. And I start my process by flipping through all my papers. So first of all, I'm going through the papers that come in the Pocket Life kit, and I just grab some papers which I feel that fit the papers and the photos. Sorry. So now I'm going through my pattern papers. And you see that I just set aside those that I want to use. And I want to bag the cut file piece with different papers and cardstock pieces. So I'm going for 3 different colors. Here I want to use some bits and pieces in yellow. Then I want to have blue and pink tones as well. So now I'll finish off backing my cardstock, my cut file, and show you what it turns out. So this is what it looks like after backing the cut file with the papers. And now I want to create a quick and easy mixed media layout. I'm working with the ink pad that comes in the color kit, and I just apply some of the ink on foil and then add some water, and then I can easily add color to my cardstock, and I can also try to hit the spots that I want to fill, so it's a quick and easy way to add some color and to make sure that it just goes where you want it to go. Alright, so you see that we have a really rich pink, and now I'm adding some splashes in blue, and I like that the colors mix up a bit, and you can create your personal backgrounds by using these ink pads. Okay, so this is the background. Now I'm going to put everything together. So the fun thing about Hip Kit Club is that if you are a subscriber, you can choose from a lot of different cut files each month, which are free, so you don't have to pay anything in addition. It's just subscribers only, and you can decide which ones you want to use and save them for later. And that gives you so many different possibilities, and you can just use them in combination with the kit. Mostly we have big pieces, also some titles, and it's fun to use them on all your projects. Alright, so you see that I backed the pictures with a little piece of paper, striped paper. And now I also want to use some butterflies. I just cut them out from the paper that came in the Pocket Life kit. I think that butterflies are a nice addition to the flower piece, and just spread them around my pictures, and this way I have a lot of going on my page, and many details. Well, the pictures were taken when we went to the house Goethe was born in. Goethe is the most famous German writer, author, and yeah, a very famous man. Maybe you've heard about him before. And we went to visit his the house he was born in, and it was very impressive to see what the house looked like. And yeah, my daughter even enjoyed it a lot, and I wanted to preserve this memory. So this page is dedicated to visiting this museum, and so I add some bits and pieces that highlight how much fun it was and how much we enjoyed it. And you can use those phrase stickers for adding those details, and also some other bits and pieces. We have more phrases in the embellishment kit, and also we have a lot of phrases on the stickers and the chipboard pieces, and I try to add some of those stripes at the bottom, but also some of them on top of the cut file piece. And there are also a lot of phrases of stripes in the Pocket Life kit, so I also want to use some of those and just spread them here on top of my cut file piece. And I want to build tiny little clusters here so that they go together, and I always have 3 different ones on each side. Okay, now it's time to create my title. The title is going to be Let's Visit Goethe. But first of all, I want to add some stitching details, or prepare the hand stitching that I want to add to my page. So I just use a paper piercer to have some swirls here, and I will add the stitching later at the very end. First of all, I am going for more details, so the title is placed on the cut file piece as well, and I want to work with all different types of stickers that we get. So one is included in the main kit, and the tiny ones are from the embellishment kit. And I like different sizes here and different colors, because yeah, it adds more details, and it's more interesting this way. So combining different alphabet stickers always is a nice way to create your titles. Alright, so time for some journaling. That's something that I have on each and every layout I create. Sometimes it's just written on the back. Most of the times I have it in front. And that's a quick and easy way if you do it handwritten. And now I'm going to see what kind of background paper I can use. Just flipping through the papers that I picked at the very beginning, and want to make sure that it fits. And then I am going for some stitching twine that matches the color of the background paper. So here we go. I add the stitching now, and I finish it off quickly so you don't have to follow along. I just show you the result now, and this is what it turned out like. And now I can place the finished page on my background paper at the date stamp, and that's what it looks like in the end. Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out all the other content which we offer here on the channel, and hope to see you soon again. Take care, have fun using your kits, and show your work on our member forum as well. Bye bye!